Hey y'all, this is CGBeck Designs. I'm doing cooking tricks today, so sit back and enjoy the show. So I'm going to fry some tilapia, some home fries with onions, and I'm going to find some green vegetable. I must have something in my freezer for this to go with this meal. So once again, okay, so I do have something. Let's see. I think I'll have broccoli. Yes, I have broccoli. This is a trick that I learned on my own. I generally will put a mixture. I always use a mixture of flour and cornmeal. And then I put the seasoning into the batter to bread my fish and my chicken, because I find that I get more of an even flavor around. Each bite tastes the same. So let's see if my grease is hot. Almost. I don't really want to batter until it is. They say the grease is hot when you put something in there, when you put a little sprinkle of the cornmeal or the flour, and it's perfect. That's how you know when your grease or your oil, if you want to be proper about it, is warm enough for the food to go, or hot enough for the food to go in. Okay, so woo-hoo. Okay, we can't do everything with tongs. We have to use hands. So just make sure you wash them. The hands, that is. Oh, okay. Can drain off somewhere. Okay, and I have my home fries in the pan there. And of course, I love these old-fashioned grandma cast iron pans. They work perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna get on to the next step. Okay, so I've had to turn on the fan because it's getting a little bit warm in here. This is the first flip of the home fries. So now I'll add the onions. Because as you know, onions cook a lot faster than potatoes. And as the potatoes soften in the pan, then I add the seasoning. Basically just salt, pepper, seasoned salt, and red pepper if you like spicy foods. Alright, so we'll let that go for a while. And there's my fish, doing wonderful. Okay, I didn't show the broccoli before I put it in. Normally what I'll do is I'll put it in the microwave, let it soften up, and then I add the seasoning and butter and what have you. That way that I'm, sure that it's going to cover the whole bowl. Okay? Okay, with the butter added. Golden fried fish. And we're still working with the home fries. Okay, so these are my potatoes, my home fries. They're ready to come out. Fish is already out. Perfect. Totally perfect. And the broccoli, which I'll be adding cheese to. This is an everyday meal. It's a really simple, inexpensive, very inexpensive meal. Okay, so I want to dip the potatoes out of the grease, and I want to drain off as much as I can of the oil. I'm going to have to put this down to do that. Yeah, I am. Okay, next step. Okay, so normally the cheese would be melted on the broccoli, but I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat now. I don't feel like creaming the cheese. So, this is what we have. And I probably won't taste it for you. Yes, I am. Hold on. Getting ready to, let me get a fork. Let's see, what should I try first? These potatoes. I love home fries with onions. All right. Oh. Mmm. Can you see me? Mmm. Mmm. I cook so good. I really love my cooking. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thank you for joining in. I really enjoy cooking for you. Hope you learned something from this, some kind of trick, cooking trick. All right, have a nice evening. Bon appetit.